Live in your favorite fiction, but you are the main character. You get to bring back anyone from the dead, but they die after 3 days. You will become smarter than Einstein, but the second person that you see when you click share, then more will become dumber than Beetlejuice. You can live in any video game world, but you are the rival to the main character. You can eat without gaining weight, but you fart 5 times per hour. Help the people in need, but you become 10 inches shorter.